Today we will be learning to make a Father's Day card, a very colorful Father's Day card. So let's surprise our fathers because they love us so much and so do we. So to begin with, let's see what all we need. For today's father making card, we will require one white sheet and one bowl with filled water for watercolors, one brush, one palette to mix the water and colors. 4 colors I'm using here: orange, green, yellow and blue. You can change the colors as per your liking. One black sketch pen for writing happy birthday papa, and one, what is this? Plastic sheet. You can get any plastic sheet from your mummy. Go grab all these things and then we will start making of our card. Our first step will be to take some water from the bowl and add it in our plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 drops added. Let's do the same because we have 4 colors that we'll be using. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And let's do in the last one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have added water in 4 of them. Now let's add a little bit of color in each one of it. Remember, you have to use only a little bit of a color. Oh, that's enough. Let's dissolve it. Mix, 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 mix. Yes, that's perfect. Okay, now use the damp cloth to clean your brush, just like I did. Now take another color and repeat the same. Take a little bit of color and mix it. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. What is your favorite color? Do tell me. Oh, now clean the blue. Now next is orange. Do you like orange? Oh, my favorite color is rainbow color. Orange taken. Now mix it. Now next color that is left is now green. Take a little bit of green and mix it. Can you see how beautiful each of our color is looking? Oh yeah, they are lovely. Ready with our colors. First you have to take the blank sheet and fold it half into it. Okay? Done. Now next step is take the plastic sheet and what you have to do is dip your brush into the color and put the color just like this. Dip the color into another color, paintbrush, and paint it. Do remember when you switch from one color to another to clean your brush, or you can use different brushes. Now here goes our yellow. Now only one color is left, and that is, oh yeah, green. Just like how we did orange, blue, green, do the green color as well. Is it done? Yes, now I have done all my colors. Now take the paper and press it and Gently press it. Lift it properly. Oh wow, some nice colors are coming. But let's do it again. Starting with the green color. And then blue. And again it's turn of yellow. Now which color is left? Orange. So let's do orange. Done? Just like last time. Use your sheet and again press it. Pull it. Oh, wow, isn't it looking nice? Now wait for 5 minutes. Let it dry. It's all dry. Now what I will do is I will make a flower. So let's see how to make a flower. Draw a line. Oh yes. And now draw many lines. One, second one a little bigger, another will be smaller, then bigger, then smaller, then bigger, then smaller, then bigger, then smaller, and then bigger, and draw circles. Yeah, again make one more flower just like this. This time a smaller version. 1, 2. This time I'm drawing the circles also together. Ooh. Now since this is a Father's Day card, you can write Happy Father's Day, best dad in the world, but I am going to write I love you dad, Papa. So you know cursive writing? Write letters in a very cursive writing. I love you, Papa. And here's our card ready. Go surprise your Papa and do subscribe to my channel for more such updates.